Escape the hustle of San Sebastián with these incredible day trip ideas. Discover hidden treasures, cultural spots, and natural wonders nearby.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Embark on an exhilarating cycling adventure through San Sebastián, immersing yourself in the city's captivating landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Your guided tour will commence from downtown, guiding you through 3 of the city's renowned beaches, Ondareta, La Concha, and Zuriola beaches. Embark on an enriching e-bike tour through the charming streets of San Sebastián, capitalizing on the city's extensive network of bicycle lanes for a seamless and sustainable journey. As you traverse the bustling urban landscape, immerse yourself in the diverse array of attractions, including iconic landmarks such as La Concha Bay, while enjoying the scenic beauty surrounding the bay. This picturesque coastal metropolis, renowned for its prestigious Michelin-starred restaurants and Europe's premier surf destination, offers an array of attractions beyond its culinary and aquatic offerings. Nestled between the verdant slopes of Mount Urgell, the historic district of Part Vieja boasts some of the most frequented landmarks in the city. San Sebastián may appear somewhat mysterious to foreign visitors, due to its unique charm and allure. To alleviate this perception and enhance your experience, consider embarking on a personalized, tailored tour, led by a knowledgeable local guide. The captivating allure of the Gipuzkoa coastline extends far beyond the enchanting sands of San Sebastián, revealing charming villages like Zarauts, known for their picturesque settings and bustling tourist scene. This region invites visitors from around the globe to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Basque culture, culinary delights, and pristine natural beauty. Embark on an enriching culinary journey through the enchanting Part Vieja, Old Town of San Sebastián. Under the guidance of an experienced tour leader, immerse yourself in a selection of the finest pinzos, complemented by a curated flight of 5 premium Spanish wines from diverse regional sources, along with a delightful taste of local ciders. A comprehensive full-day tour explores the coastal villages of Zarauts, Getaria and Zumaya, alongside picturesque mountain roads and breathtaking vistas. Zarauts, rich in maritime traditions dating back to the 16th century, features a vibrant history tied to whale hunting.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.